So, quick recap then on that. We got our fill at 77, and the low of the day so far has been 71. So that played out nicely. I put some more risk on, seemed to time it pretty well. The risk was that this was going to be a head and shoulders and a move up, but the thesis for lower played out. So that's me done for the day. And tomorrow we've got non-farm payrolls. So we'll look to do something with that after the event, depending on the environment and price action and so on. Right, so we're now 7R up for, no, not 7, we're 14R up in the first week of trade, 14R. I'm risking 0.5 per position. We've had 1 day of mistakes and 4 positive days. We started trading last Friday, in fact. So far, so good. Need to go back to Stacey's videos and ensure that I got all of those elements of the continuation breakout day two runner correct, and see if I couldn't have improved on the entry, because I was sort of averaging in. I'm not sure if that's something he advocates. Had I just got in at the figure 50, and then added to the position on the way down, well, so be it. But we got in round about the figure. Let's have a look what we did. So the first one was pretty much near the figure, then lower and lower. Let's have a look. Now the first one was at 112.39, and then we got the move up. So I got in at 47, and then I was break even round about 30s. I entered in at 35. I think I was for break even. I entered in again at 27, given the price action in stocks and the dollar and yields, and we got out at near enough the low for the 3-hour window in the Stacey Burke window. So we could be seeing a correction back up into here for a rollover or consolidation into non-farm payrolls tomorrow.